This is the final video to fix Sony Vegas Pro not importing MP4 files, so you can get back to your editing without any more file not supported errors or annoying crashes. Are you facing a frustrating situation where you try to drag your footage into the timeline, but Vegas refuses to open it or gives you a black screen with no audio? This problem occurs because your system is missing the specific QuickTime components or AC codecs needed to decode modern MP4 containers, or a ghost DLL file in your installation is blocking the import process. Most tutorials on YouTube tell you to reinstall your entire Windows OS or convert all your videos to a different format, which is a massive waste of time and ruins your video quality. Here at Rexish, we know you have a project to finish and you need a solution that works in seconds, not hours. I have a secret easy trick that involves renaming a hidden File IO folder in your Vegas directory to force the software to use its built-in legacy plugins instead of the broken system ones. This method clears a digital conflict and unlocks full compatibility for all your MP4 files instantly without needing any third-party converters. It is the fastest way to stop the import glitches and makes your editing workflow feel smooth and reliable again. Rexish is dedicated to finding the simplest paths to solve these creative software bugs so you can stay productive and stress-free. This fix works for Vegas Pro 13, 14, 15, and all newer versions, and it handles the error even if your files came from phone or a screen recorder. Once you apply this fast internal tweak, your media will import perfectly every single time you drag it in.